If you're thinking about switching to WordPress, you need to see this. This is not just a migration guide, it's the difference between a smooth move and a nightmare of data loss. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to migrate any project board from Trello and Asana into FluentBoards without losing a single data. Whether you're switching tools for better integration or smoother workflows or just want everything inside WordPress, you're in the right place. I'm going to walk you through every single step from exporting your projects out of Trello and Asana to importing them directly into FluentBoards with zero confusion. So let's get started. All right, as you can see, we are already in the WordPress dashboard. Let's open FluentBoards tab in the sidebar. Okay, now let's move to the Boards tab from the navigation bar. Now, do you see these three dots? Yes, let's press on that. A dropbar has appeared. As you can see, you have the option to import project boards from several places. Let's try migrating projects from Trello first. First, open your Trello board, the one that you want to migrate mainly. Now, look at the top right corner of the board and click on the three-dot menu, or sometimes it says Show menu. A side panel will slide open from the right, and then you'll notice an option labeled Print and Export. Can you see that? Yes, click on it. So from there, select Export as JSON. But do make sure the file format is set to JSON. Now let's go back to FluentBoards. Okay, let's go for boards and the three dots we pressed earlier. Now go for import from Trello. And let's just go ahead and upload the JSON file we saved earlier from Trello. So let's go ahead and upload it. It might take some time though, so wait a little until it's uploaded. Okay, done. Your Trello board is now safely exported as a JSON file. Now go to your main boards list. And boom, your Trello board is now inside FluentBoards. As you can see, all your stages, tasks, due dates, and even task members right there. The best part? Everything looks cleaner and more integrated. Is this magic? Because this came in like a breeze. Okay, now let's get started with step 2. Migrating from Asana. It only takes a few steps to import your Asana project into FluentBoards. To kick things off, open your browser and log into your Asana dashboard. So let's log in real quick. Okay, now locate the project that needs to be migrated. You'll see it listed either on your sidebar or in your recent activity. Click on it to open. Okay, once the project loads, direct your eyes to the top left corner of the screen, right next to your project's name. There is a small drop-down arrow right there. Go ahead and click it. From the drop-down menu, scroll down until you see Export or Print. Click that. Okay, you'll now see a few export options. Among them, here's one that says JSON. So let's go for that. As soon as we click, Asana will open our project data in a new browser tab in raw JSON format. Yes, it looks technical, but we won't need to do anything manually. We're going to go ahead and save this file. So let's save the file real quick. But do make sure the file format is set to JSON. Okay, and hit save. Okay, now we're gonna go back to FluentBoards again, and let's go for boards and the three dots we pressed earlier, just like Trello. It's the same process. Now go for import from Asana, and let's go ahead and upload the JSON file that we saved earlier from Asana. So it also is gonna take a little bit of time, so be a little patient. And just like Trello, your Asana board gets pulled right into FluentBoards. Now, here's something super important. When Asana imports, it brings in sections as stages, tasks as cards, and comments as internal notes. Let's open the imported board and click into a task card. See this? It's brought in the description, assignee, deadline, and even the subtasks as checklist items. Super smooth. So what happens after import? Now that both your Trello and Asana boards are in Fluent Boards, you can start customizing them however you like. As you can see, everything else is the same as Fluent Boards, starting from the stages, tasks, and the rest of the things. So from here, you can rename the board. As you can see, you can even add a new description, just like that. Or maybe even go for a different color label. As you can see, let's click into one of the stages. I'm going to rename the to-do to tasks pending. Now, drag a task from one stage to another, just like Trello and Asana, but now within your own WordPress site. See how smooth that is? Let's also click into a task. I'm going to add a new comment here. Let's go for make sure to update the CTA button color. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a deadline. So for that, click the calendar icon and pick a date and just simply hit save. Now, assignee, just click the avatar icon and choose a team member from the drop-down. How easy is that? By the way, we have more detailed videos of Fluent Board project walkthroughs, so feel free to check them out. I'll leave them in the description below. So everything works in real time. Simple, clean, and everything sets in perfectly fit puzzle pieces. Fluent Boards isn't just a project management tool, it's the bridge between your team's workflow and your website's backend. And now that you can import from Trello and Asana, switching over has never been easier. Whether you're a freelancer or maybe an agency or in-house team, this feature saves you hours of setup time. Everything gets pulled over automatically. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss an update. Got questions about the migration process? Drop them in the comments below. I'm always checking. Until next time, this is Ishika from WPManageNinja and I will see you in the next video.